Hi teacher, my name is Lady Joana Garcia Ramirez. I live in the city of Armenia, Quindío. I am 30 years old. I have two sons. I work independent. I study administration. Ways to save water. Don't leave the faucet open. Use the washing machine with a full load of clothes. Don't wash water in the shower. Do not throw garbage off the street. Most of this waste goes to the river or the sea. Collect rainwater and use it for cleaning the home. Wash the car in a bucket of water, not a house. Do not play with water. Fix the water leaks in your home. Don't boil bottled water. Use biodegradable detergent. Take care of the water. Thank you.